Hello students, today we are learning how to draw an angle of 90 and 45. First of all, see, we have drawn one ray OA. OA we have drawn, and we will draw an angle of 90 degree. From this point O, we will draw a semicircle with a convenient radius. Like this we have drawn. Now without changing this radius, from this point we will make an arc, and without changing the radius we will make another arc on this. Now this point, at this point we will get, if we will produce a ray, we will get angle 60 and we will get 90. Now we have to bisect this 60. This is 60, means this is 60 and this is again 60. If we will bisect this, इस पार्ट को हम bisect करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, 30 का एंगल मिलेगा. So we are bisecting this part. So from here we will make, from this point we will make one arc, and without changing the radius, from this point we will make another arc. Okay, now this point, now this is 60. This point is of, this angle is of 60, and we have bisected this. इसको हमने bisect किया तो 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30 we will get 90 degree. So this point we are producing a ray joining this intersecting point. So this, take it as B. So angle BOA, angle BOA is of 90 degree. Now we will bisect. To get 45, we will bisect this angle. From this, take it as C, and we are taking it as D. We have to bisect this part, C and D. This arc we have to bisect. So again, from point D, more than the half of this CD, this is more than half of D. From D I am making one arc, and from C, without changing the radius, from this point C, without changing the radius, I will make another arc, and we will join this. We will join this point, this intersecting point, this point that we got. Now we will join this, and this is of angle 45. This is angle 45. Take it as E. So angle EOF, angle EOA is of 45.